Hi folks, this is Eric at South Burlington Mazda, and I'm here to show you a beautiful 2019 Nissan Sentra with only 36,000 miles. So a 1.8 liter four-cylinder front wheel drive vehicle with a giant trunk. And let's look inside. Wow, there's so much room in this car. It has heated front seats, 6 amazing speakers, cruise control, air conditioning, independent climate control, a beautiful gauge cluster, backup camera, AM, FM radio, automatic transmission. Look at that camera. A box for your gloves. Yep. So much room in the back. 2 cup holders with a little console you can plug things into. Great big back seat. You could fit three people in there. Car seats. Oh, nice, more cup holders. 4 cup holders total. Oh, is that one in the door? 5. Wow, this is a beautiful cabin. An emergency brake, just in case. Push button start. Oh wow. Look at that blue stitching. You can find this car for sale at South Burlington Mazda, 1795 Shelburne Road, South Burlington, Vermont. And this car comes with the Big Deal Plus.